Hello there! Today we are going to do an interesting activity. Well, yes, we're going to draw something which is circular. Can you tell me what that is? A sun. Yes, a bright sun. So let's see our steps and start doing this. At first, we are going to make a very big circle. Do you know how to make a circle? Well, yes. First, we will make a C and then another C, but the other way round. Now, let's make a bigger circle. This is amazing. Now it's time for us to make a standing line and a sleeping line which will meet at the center of the circle. Yes, the middle of the circle. And now, why don't we make two slanting lines? It needs to pass from the center of the circle. Now, mark these points which are right on top of the bigger circle and the line. Yes, where they are meeting. And now, let's make these lines which are the zigzag lines. Yes, they look like big triangles, isn't it? And finally, why don't we make the circle which is inside a little darker and make the face of the sun? That's amazing. Now it's time for us to start sketching it. It is okay if you don't sketch the drawing, but if you wish to, please take a black sketch pen and slowly start. Why don't you count with me and do it? 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. This is how we count and do this. Let's complete the face now. This looks great. Now, take your eraser and erase all the pencil marks you see. Yes, that was only for the measurement and we made it so that we could make a proper sun. Let's start coloring it. Let's take an orange color and start doing the outline for the triangular part. Do you know how to do the outline? Yes, we need to start coloring by touching the outer line or the drawn part. Now let's color inside the triangle only in one direction. For example, if you're choosing to color in standing line, then only color in standing line. And if you're choosing to color in sleeping line, only color in sleeping line. Let's make an outline with our yellow color for the face of the sun. And then divide the sun in two parts. Let's start coloring in standing line over here. You can color however you are comfortable. Complete the entire thing and do not have any white spaces. This looks amazing.